Hello. In this video, I'm gonna to unbox and try this OpenRock S earbuds. This closure they were sent to me by OpenRock to make an honest and unbiased review. So everything you will see and listen will be my own opinion. So these are open ear air conduction sport earbuds. Good thing is that they don't cover the ear, okay, and they seem to be pretty nice. I've heard pretty nice things about them. 16.2 millimeter driver with enhanced bass, professional sound effects for sports. I'm looking forward to see what it is. Dynamic audio algorithm, AI for noise canceling microphones, open ear comfort. So one of the things when we have those traditional earbuds is that after some time they will stop kind of being uncomfortable because they are plugged in our ear. So this one doesn't have that problem. Okay, Bluetooth 5.3, which gives you more reliability and some more wider range as well. And let me check what else. Two bass technology, adjustable here, hook patent, up to 60 hours of battery life. Pretty awesome. And also IPX5, which is pretty nice as well when because we are talking about sports earbuds. So let me show you the box. There you go. Oh, pretty nice. Okay. So it's time to open the box. Time to get out of the box. Let me do this. So let's see what we have inside the box. Okay, so we have here OpenRock S, Open Ear Air Conduction Sports Earbuds User Manual. So we have this in English. I believe this should be Japanese or Chinese, not Francais, Deutsch. I don't know, maybe Russian, Espanol, Italiano, Portuguese, Polski, and I believe this should be Japanese or something else. So you will see here what you have in the package. Looking forward to see what it is. Okay, how to turn this on and off. Pa 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 pa. Pretty nice. Let me see what else. Warnings, cautions as well. Nice. I love when they have these quick starting guides. Okay, because we don't need to go searching in the user manual because it tends to take a little bit more. Look how nice you have this foam to protect, and look how amazing this case is. Even though it's a little bit big, oh, it's flashing. It has lights. Here you have in the back the charging USB-C port. We have here the charging cable, USB-A, USB-A to USB-C. Ha 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 ha. Nothing left in the case or in the box. Let me see. Let me open this. So this will be an amazing moment. Look how awesome this is. This is really a sophisticated design, which I particularly like. Okay, you have here this thing. Okay, ensure the indicator eliminates when headphones are placed into charging case. Nice. So let me show you how they look. And one of the things I've seen is that this is pretty flexible. So this will allow to adjust. So you have here the driver. And also you have, let me take this out. So we have here a microphone, another one here, and there's another one here too. And here you have the plugs to charge, and I believe this one it's the same. And in case you don't know, this one has the L letter here. And this one, I believe it will have the R letter. There you go. Ha ha ha. Look how awesome they are. So let me put, okay, first, let me, okay, time to go to the user manual to check. Open the charging case, take, okay, I need to take them out. Awesome. Okay, let me take them out. And then place the back into the charging case and close the lid. Okay. Let me close it. Wait 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now it's here. Okay, so you can see OpenRock S. Pairing. Okay, you can see now that. There you go. And they are ready. So now it's time to put them on. I'm going to take this out. And one of the things I've seen is that it's pretty easy to put this in the here. So let me check. Yes, it is. Just one hand. Another one. So you can put this here. Okay. Turn it around and there you go. So it doesn't cover the here. Okay. And now let me bring. Oh, nice. And the thing, yes, actually, you don't have that feeling that they are inside your ear, that uncomfortable feel somehow. And the music is pretty detailed and nice. And it's touch control. Okay, let me see. Nice sound. Okay, tap twice to stop. It works. So 2 seconds in the right. 2 seconds in the right earbud. Forward 2 seconds in the left. Beginning of track or previous track. Pretty nice sound indeed. And it has 2 modes, relax and rock. Just I need to press twice the the two of them at the same time for 2 seconds. Let me do this. Okay, in the rock, you have more bass in the sound. So there you go, pretty nice looking. Also, the sense of comfort, it's good. Amazing sound as well. You have 60 playtime hours. So it has 19 in the earbuds, and then you have 41 hours in the case to charge. Pretty nice and really comfortable. So this was the unboxing and first try out of this Open Rock S. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.